Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use Chat GPT for traveling. So let's suppose if you wanted to travel to some place, so how you can use this tool to actually generate the information about that a specific place before you travel to that place. So I have actually prepared a list of some questions here. So first of all is let's suppose that if I wanted to go here, Cancun, Mexico. So the first question, when is the best time to go like Cancun, Mexico? So I will just copy this question from here and I will paste it here, and it will tell me that what will be the best time to actually go to the Cancun, Mexico here. So now the best time to visit Cancun, Mexico is typically from December to April during the dry season. This is when the weather is most pleasant with temperature averaging in the mid 80s Fahrenheit. Okay, so you can actually replace the place name with this one. Okay, so these are just the basic questions, okay, that I prepared. You can actually ask something else. So the next question is, give me 10 things I should do in the Cancun, Mexico. So let me just copy this question from here and paste it here. Give me 10 things I should do in Cancun, Mexico here. So it will actually give me the 10 thing, like the 10 best places that I should visit in the Cancun. Take a day trip to the island of Majuri is known for its beautiful beaches and snorkeling opportunities. And the next question is basically what is the best airline to book flights through to Mexico. So you will actually copy this one. Let's just take its time. So now as you can see that it has given me the 10 things that I should do in the Cancun, Mexico. So the next question here is, what is the best airline to book flights through to Mexico? So I will click on this one and it will give me the list of some best airlines that I will book through to the Mexico. Like there are several airlines that offer flights to Mexico, and the best one for you may depend on your specific travel needs. So now it is like giving me the list of actually the best airlines that I can book flights through to the Mexico here. So the next question is, what are the best restaurants in Cancun, Mexico? So I will just let it do its work. So the next question is, what are the best restaurants in Cancun, Mexico? So I'll just click on this one and it will actually gives me the list of best restaurants that I should. Wide variety of restaurants offering everything from traditional Mexican cuisine to international flavors. Some popular options include, so these are like actually the best restaurants in Cancun, Mexico that I should visit when I go there. So the next question is like, what are the top 5 all-inclusive resorts to stay at Cancun, Mexico? So click on this one and let it do its work. So the last question is, what are the top 5 all-inclusive resorts to stay at in Cancun, Mexico? So it will give me the top 5 inclusive resorts to actually stay in the Cancun, Mexico. So let it do its work here. So the first one is the Ritz-Carlton Cancun. Okay, that's great. Second one is Secret the Wine Cancun. Third one is Hard Rock Hotel Cancun. So actually you you should get the idea that how you can actually research for the place that you are planning to go. Okay, so that's how you can use Chat GPT for traveling. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.